How can you see the Apple Watch apps on the iPhone? Let me guide you through the whole thing and the topic. So let's get started. If you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So if you are interested in the apps which are installed currently on the Apple Watch, just locate the Watch app on the iPhone that you use to set up the watch, like on the paired iPhone. But you can get inside as such, and this is the settings page for your watch, but upon scrolling down a bit more, you see the section for the built-in apps, so you can see them all right here. And below, we have all of the installed third-party apps list. So all of the apps which are installed on the watch can be managed in here, so you can tap on it and uninstall it from the watch, sort of, but you can see the list of all of them right there. At the bottom, you have one more place, which is called Available Apps, and these are those which technically could be installed on the watch, but are not part of it yet. So you can tap the install button, and these are also going to appear on your watch, so you'll be able to also see those. Right, so that's how you can manage the existing ones. But I know a lot of people who want to just add new Apple Watch apps. And how can you find that? Well, inside of the App Store on the iPhone, you can either use the search feature to literally look up Apple Watch, and some apps which are supported on the watch are going to show up in here. But as well, when you go through the apps in here, and there are so many categories at the top, you can scroll through them, and you should as well see the Apple Watch apps right there. So you can get to a specific section for the watch apps only, and this is how you can install those. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Let me know if you found what you needed. And as I said, I hope I get to see you later in the future videos too.